So Facebook gave us an opportunity to fly down to Silicon Valley at the end of 6 months of that program. I have grown up in a family which has been involved into a joint family business of FMCG distribution in the state of Goa for last 35 years.
Welcome to the Uncommon Talks.
So welcome to Uncommon Talks, guys. Today we have with us संकेत. ये मेरा 2019 दिसंबर का दोस्त है. तो हम एक ट्रैक पे मिले थे मैक्लोडगंज में. काफ़ी लंबी और मस्त ट्रैक थी वो. -5 में हमने कैंप किया था टॉप पे. तो उस दौरान हमें पता चला था कि ही इज़ अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. ठीक है, तो उसका एक स्टार्टअप है. सो दैट टाइम वो जो स्टार्टअप था वो आई गेस इंश्योरेंस रिलेटेड था. तो एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन काफ़ी चल रहा था, राइट?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज.
ओके, सो अब वो स्टार्टअप थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, उसका रीब्रांडिंग हो गया. नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड मिंको. पहले वो मिंक्स पे था, अब वो मिंको हो गया. ठीक है, एंड इट्स एक्सपैंडिंग. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टार्टअप. सो आप लोगों के लिए इस पॉडकास्ट में जो होने वाला है, मैं आपको वो भी एक ब्रीफ दे देता हूँ कि आप लोग इसमें सीखोगे कि आप स्टार्टअप कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अपना खुद का. देन जो इनका बिजनेस है वो अपनी इंडस्ट्री में क्या और कैसे किसको हेल्प कर रहा है, राइट? और आप लोगों के लिए ओवरऑल नॉलेज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो संकेत भाई, आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या रहा है? मतलब पढ़ाई वगैरह कहाँ से, क्या हार्वर्ड वगैरह से करी थी, क्या सीन रहा है?
So Johnny, first of all, like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share all the experiences about my journey. I'm born and brought up in Goa. So मेरा जो ओवरऑल हाई स्कूल रहा है, कॉलेज रहा है, वो सब गोवा से ही मैंने कंप्लीट किया है. सो आई कंप्लीटेड माय बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन BCA फ्रॉम गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी based out of Saraswat College in Mamsa.
Great.
After that, I went to do my MBA in Bangalore in Jain University. But when I took admission for MBA, पहले 2 से 3 महीने में मुझे पता चल गया था कि I am very curious to start something of my own, and so called academic program मुझे complete करने में कोई ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी है नहीं. So I started exploring few more things because I was first time away from home. I wanted to explore few more things which I was unable to do being in my comfort zone. So that's when I applied for one interesting program known as Startup Village. So Startup Village एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम था जहाँ पे आप एक स्टूडेंट जब होते हो फाइनल ईयर में या इमीडिएटली अभी पास आउट, आपने कॉलेज पास आउट किया है एंड यू वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. So you can apply there, and out of 800,000 applicants, they used to select top 30 founders or startup entrepreneurs who can actually start something of their own as a journey right from early days in their life, like immediately in college or passing out of college.
Okay, so that was in the same college.
That was नहीं, college का part नहीं था वो, एक external entity थी.
Okay.
So it started based out of Kerala, but they later on shifted to Karnataka, that is in Bangalore, known as SV.co.
Okay.
And interestingly, हमारा जो batch हुआ है, that batch was one of the most fortunate batch because that entire Startup Village program which we got enrolled for. So I was fortunate to get selected from top 800 to top 30 selected founders to get enrolled into that journey, and that entire batch was powered by Facebook.
Oh, nice.
So Facebook gave us an opportunity to fly down to Silicon Valley at the end of 6 months of that program.
Okay.
And that 6 months program was more focused on how Flipkart was built, how Ola was built, how Myntra was built. And all these tech companies, we have hardly seen it growing from nothing to completely capturing the whole market of e-commerce and all these things in less than a decade's time.
Exactly.
And Bangalore has that whole DNA where I mean literally 1 BHK फ्लैट से फ्लिपकार्ट शुरू हुआ था, वहां से लेके आज कितना बड़ा हो गया, we all see that, right? And that entire learnings was given on how they started that journey at a small scale and how they took it at a large scale. तो वो सारी जर्नी में जितने लोग या की स्टेक होल्डर्स थे, फिर उनके सीनियर टेक्नोलॉजी आर्किटेक्ट्स हो, प्रोडक्ट मेंटर्स हो, ये सारे लोग वहां पे आके हमें गाइड करते थे on how to build great startups. Okay. So that was an eye-opening experience for me, and very important thing was flying down to Silicon Valley to Facebook headquarters, learning again from senior product engineers at Facebook was itself a dream come true event for me. That journey fascinated me on okay, coming back to India, I'm not going to complete my academics just for the sake of completing degree. Okay. And that's when I took a call of dropping out of MBA and starting something of my own, and that's how journey started.
Amazing. So इसके पीछे फंडिंग जो होती है, जैसे लेट्स से कॉलेज के लिए भी, और तुम्हें जब बाहर जाना था, सो डिड यू एवर हैव इन माइंड कि तुम्हें फंडिंग मिल पाएगी इस तुम्हारा जो भी प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है, या तुम्हारा डिसाइडेड था कि यही इसमें ही करना है, या रिसर्च लगी थी उसके पीछे कुछ?
Okay, so before I come to that, let me share you an experience about how I have learned few things in my journey or from my childhood, right? Like I have grown up in a family which has been involved into a joint family business of FMCG distribution in the state of Goa for last 35 years.
Okay.
And मेरा जो elder cousin है, he has been involved into a same FMCG distribution business which used to distribute goods to thousands of retailers in and around Goa. And we both have been so closely connected right from our early days that we used to share ideas about how we can bring impact for these smaller retailers, right? Because we have seen like this is the thing of 2016 or 17 when internet had started changing the world, specifically India, right? With an access to mobile and internet, we have seen like every single thing which we do is being disrupted by any new internet company which comes in, right? And ये ज़्यादातर हुआ था end customers like you and me. बट जो छोटे दुकानदार लोग हैं उनके लिए आज तक कोई disruptive startup create नहीं हुआ था. So that is something which enabled me to focus more on can we build something for them, because again आज मोबाइल का एक्सेस नहीं था, इंटरनेट का एक्सेस नहीं था, ये सब कुछ चेंज हो गया जियो का जब एंट्री हो गया मार्केट में in 2016, and it completely changed the paradigm shift of how internet in India can actually change the distribution and disruption of so many things, right? And that is how we started working on it कि आज हम ये छोटे दुकानदारों के लिए कुछ बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, तो कैन इट बी एज डिसरप्टिव एज जिस तरीके से ओला ने अपन को कैब बुकिंग में डिसरप्शन लाया, फ्लिपकार्ट ने ई-कॉमर्स शॉपिंग का अपना जो तरीका था वो बदल दिया. सो कैन वी बिल्ड समथिंग विच कैन चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ स्मॉलर रिटेलर्स? सो दैट वाज द आइडिया हाउ वी स्टार्टेड अप विद. एंड देन लेटर ऑन इट गॉट लाइक शेप्ड अप इन सच अ वे कि हमारा पर्पस ये कभी नहीं था कि फंडिंग के लिए स्टार्टअप शुरू करेंगे. फंडिंग इज जस्ट one ingredient of building a startup, but we never started with funding. And since we have grown up in a family which has been involved into so-called business for a very long time, like last 35-40 years, like genetic कह लो कि I was anyways interested in starting something of my own rather than joining any corporate job.
Okay. So basically खून में था. So
intuition.
Okay, so basically you saw a problem जिसका सॉल्यूशन तुम प्रोवाइड कर सकते थे, बिकॉज दैट वाज इन योर बिजनेस लाइन ओनली कि रिटेलर्स को क्या क्या इश्यूज होते हैं.
क्लोजली सीन दोस प्रॉब्लम्स
एग्जैक्टली
फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड.
सो यू न्यू द व्हाट एंड व्हाई ऑफ दैट. सो वहाँ से बेसिकली बेस क्रिएट हो गया एक.
राइट, एग्जैक्टली.
ओके, सो उसी की सॉल्यूशन तुम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो अपनी सर्विसेज के थ्रू.
राइट. सो दैट्स हाउ आवर जर्नी स्टार्टेड, एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एवोल्यूशन ऑफ स्टार्टअप हैपेंस विद द काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक and so many things which you learn from your failures.
Right.
तो ये सारी चीजें आपको एक अलग तरीके से शेप देते जाती है आपके प्रोडक्ट को या आपके स्टार्टअप को.
Right.
And that's how we have shaped ourselves in last 3 to 4 years.
Okay. So पहले स्टार्ट कहाँ से होता, like who all were there in your team, और अब कौन कौन है?
So it has been an interesting journey. Like as I told you, like when I came back to India, dropped out of MBA, and thought of going back to Goa, to my native place. जहाँ पे me and my elder cousin we both thought of starting something together because he had an experience almost 15 years in sales and distribution in FMCG. I was more enthusiastic on building product and tech, and that's how we have seen like closely taking this company from 2 people team to 40 people team today. Okay, and that journey came in with the kind of hunger for building an impact for smaller retailers, right?
Right.
तो ये शुरू हुआ उसी समय से कि हमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स दिखाई देते थे दुकानदारों के लिए, और सबसे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम हमें दिखाई देता था 2016-17 में, बैक देन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड मिंक्सपे. So Minkspay was started with an purpose of solving smaller retailers' first problem. That is, ये जो छोटे दुकानदार होते हैं इनका जो इनकम है वो कहीं ना कहीं उसी लेवल पे स्टैग्नेट हो चुका है. They have been unable to grow their business by upselling and cross-selling few more products at their store. And that's when we realized कि जिस तरीके से आज पार्ले या ब्रिटानिया का बिस्किट बेचा जाता है किराना की दुकान में, उस तरीके से can they start selling so-called financial and banking services as well? Okay. because technically दुकानदार is open from 9 AM in the morning till like 10 PM at
10,
night,
exactly.
right? तो वहाँ पे ना बैंकिंग टाइमिंग्स का रेस्ट्रिक्शन होता है, एंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है कि इन दुकानदारों का जो रिलेशन होता है अपने वॉक इन कस्टमर के साथ, दैट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेट versus like anything. And what you need fundamentally in any banking and financial services is building that underlying trust.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how the hypothesis we figured out कि इसके ऊपर हम कुछ build कर सकते हैं, because आज जो semi rural and rural parts है इंडिया में, there are so many challenges in terms of distribution of financial and banking products to them, and that's when we realized, can we become so-called corporate banking correspondent to ICICI Bank, Paytm Payments Bank, Fino Payments Bank, and that's how we partnered with them to distribute financial and banking products like cash deposit as a facility, cash withdrawal as a facility, money remittance as a facility, then so-called bill payment as a facility, insurance as a facility. So many things we brought to the table and asked retailer to offer it to their walk-in customer, so that every transaction they do, they can earn some amount of commission or profit behind it.
Okay.
And that's how they upsell and cross-sell, and eventually they earn more money and generate more income from the same store which they have.
उन्हीं का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यूज करके you treated them as a bank
Yes.
or a facilitator basically
Right.
for all these services, right?
Right. So we were able to scale from literally 100 retailers in the state of Goa to close to 20,000 retailers across 4 states in India. We had reached a scale where we used to even process 500,000 transactions per month.
Amazing.
And we used to process like close to 50 crore worth of transactions. That is like close to 500 crores of transaction run rate per year.
Okay.
But eventually we thought of again pivoting completely to a new idea, because as we know, pandemic actually forced everyone to rethink about their survival and longevity of the plan which you are working on. And we realized कि पिछले 2 या 3 साल में ये सारी चीजें जो हम दुकानदार के थ्रू ऑफर करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ये सारी चीजें we wanted to know कि आज ये distribution कर रहा है, and we want to build something more disruptive than this. And we figured out कि हमें lifetime के लिए ये चीजें नहीं ऑफर करनी है. That was just an entry door for us. We were very clear back in 2016-17 when we started Minxpay. Eventually we want to diversify into multiple categories.
Right.
तो ये multiple categories ऐसे रह सकती है कि उनके multiple problems जो होते हैं वे figure out करना शुरू करो. So one problem at a time is our thesis.
Okay. Yeah.
कि एक बार आपने एक चीज solve कर ली सही तरीके से, he uses that product and then you solve the next big problem. Okay. So that's how pandemic forced us to rethink on the next big problem statement. And that's how gap in the credit ecosystem कि दुकानदार को जो उधार चाहिए, क्रेडिट चाहिए, वो आज मार्केट में इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड स्पेसिफिकली लॉकडाउन के बाद पूरा जो क्रेडिट का साइकिल था सप्लायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का, वो सब खत्म हो गया.
Exactly.
एंड दैट इज वेयर वी थॉट ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है देन एनीथिंग एल्स. एंड दैट इज हाउ वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड डाइवर्सिफाइंग इनटू दैट अनदर कैटेगरी. एंड वी इवेंचुअली थॉट कि दिस इज मच लार्जर अपॉर्चुनिटी देन व्हाट वी हैव बिल्ट. एंड we knew कि जो पहले वाला बिजनेस मॉडल था with Minxpay has certain level of saturation point at one point or another, right? But we knew कि इसके आगे जाके we want to evolve ourselves more like a innovative fintech company or a fintech product for these smaller retailers. We never changed our audience or the user base which we are trying to solve for, but we just changed what we used to solve before and what we are trying to solve for. Because the context of, I would divide it कि प्री-कोविड एरा एंड पोस्ट-कोविड एरा का जो ओवरऑल मार्केट के सर्कमस्टेंसेस थे वो इतने तरीके से चेंज हो गए कि वी हैव टू लिटरली थिंक अबाउट द वे हाउ इट यूज्ड टू बी डन बिफोर एंड द वे हाउ इट इज डन नाउ. एवरीथिंग हैज चेंज्ड.
So ultimately you're just providing them with investments, right? या money, let's say lending money and पहले किसी और वे में दे रहे थे, कमीशन के वे में, ताकि they can invest in their own business again.
Yes.
And make it grow.
Yes.
अभी भी वही हो रहा है, but in a different way. What is Minko all about?
So Minko is all about a buy now pay later kind of an experience, which you and me enjoy at the checkout page of Flipkart or Amazon without any credit card. We are trying to give the same experience to smaller retailers when they are procuring any goods and inventory from their suppliers of, let's say, Unilever, Britannia, Parle, जो उनको उधार नहीं देते. We give them a line of credit of, let's say, 20 days, 30 days, जिस तरीके से अपन को क्रेडिट कार्ड मिलता है. So it's more like an experience like a virtual credit card, but there is no card involved. So it's going to be a virtual credit for small retailers. So this is the concept of Minko.
All right. सो आई जस्ट हैंड ओवर टू अंकित. थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल वाला उसका स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन.
Thank you, John.